Hey guys, welcome back to the Crypto Picture channel where I help you see crypto through a clear lens. Today we have some exciting things to go over as the altcoins have been performing as we suspected. I want to start on the Bitcoin dominance chart because I think this is a very good representation of what we can expect and continue to expect. So as we've stated in the past videos, Bitcoin has continued to remain underneath this trend line, overshooting it slightly here, but we remain to the downside for now. We did see Bitcoin get over this orange line, which is my kind of macro level support, turn to resistance now that I was really wanting to see Bitcoin close below. And this is why it's so important for us to wait for confirmation. And what I mean by confirmation is we wait for weekly candle closes, because this daily intraday stuff will get you caught out in the wrong direction of the market. So Bitcoin dominance continuing to go down, which means altcoins are continuing to increase in value versus their Bitcoin comparative. This is great for us. For example, we've seen great gains out of Cardano, out of Link, out of Polkadot, and we will continue to see it, I believe, until we get a turnaround in this Bitcoin dominance. And again, I know for new people, especially people joining the group, I suggest you go back and watch the previous videos as I went a little bit more into depth about what Bitcoin dominance means and how to read it, and what to expect from the general movements in Bitcoin dominance. So as of right now, we're continuing to head lower. Bitcoin's price is still maintaining its strong levels, slowly increasing, which means I'm not expecting a major market correction as of right now. So I want to base this video around altcoins because I've been getting so many questions about, hey, what altcoin should I buy? Which one should I get? And I know there's a lot of excitement around altcoins right now, and so there should be. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity, definitely once in a market cycle opportunity. And as things go along and there's more money in this space, the volatility will reduce, meaning that over the long term, there'll be less and less gains to be had. So I do really believe that, everybody here that's here right now today is still early. You guys are still early. I see a lot of people saying Bitcoin is, $40,000, $50,000. Should I even buy it? Like, is it too late? And truly, I believe we are not. If we think about it from a macro perspective, and what Bitcoin is able to accomplish and the network effect that we see with Bitcoin. And I'll go into a little bit more depth about network effect and the reason I see a much larger market cap for things like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I believe they're just getting started. But we'll save that for another video. So I'm going to dive right into the altcoins now, and I'll show you guys how I structure my account and how I go about investing and navigating in this market. And again, it is simply for educational purposes. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to buy and sell. I'm just showing you what I've done that I've been relatively successful in doing since I've been in crypto for the period of time that I've been in it. And it's going on a few years now. So I want you guys to learn from the mistakes I've made and also the rewards that what I've done to accomplish what I've accomplished in a short period of time. I've seen hundreds of % increase in my total portfolio, and I want to help people to be able to understand and do the same. And this is the purpose for these videos, and I hope that what you take away is a learning opportunity and you learn from everything we go over here in the channel. So diving right in, I'm going to start with my main cryptos, my main cryptocurrencies that I hold the vast majority of my account in. Now, if you're new, you should be primarily focusing on these 5 assets. For me, because I've been in the space for a relatively long time, I have 80% of my account distributed between these 5 cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin, it's self-explanatory. It's the longest cryptocurrency. It's proven itself over an extended period of time, never been hacked. The blockchain itself has never been hacked. Have users been hacked? Yes, but the blockchain itself has never been hacked. It is one of the most secure systems in the world. It's the largest supercomputer in the world. That should tell you why Bitcoin has value. Also, it is pretty much like having a Swiss bank account in your pocket. So, secondly, Ethereum. Ethereum also has a very large network effect. Some of the smartest developers in the world, leaving places like JP Morgan and Fidelity and all this stuff to build on the Ethereum network. So we got some of the smartest people in the room working on Ethereum, developing on Ethereum. Now, the reason I have 88 and Polkadot as my third and fourth, I would say, picks is because if anybody is going to compete with Ethereum, I believe it is these two. So I like to be diversified in case I'm wrong. Maybe these two surpass Ethereum one day. But as of right now, they're really far away from being able to accomplish that. We have Ethereum at $210 billion worth of market capitalization. Cardano is 10x less. Same with Polkadot. They're in the 20 billion, 30 billion ballpark, which is still impressive. But, this is showing you where the network effect currently is. So that's the reason I'm holding Cardano and Polkadot. Chainlink does basically what the name states. It provides a link between all these applications and talking to the outside applications and networks and blockchains, and it provides information that they can all feed off of. It's an Oracle play, one of the largest Oracle plays, and a very significant player when it comes to decentralized information and the transfer of that information. So that's why I hold Chainlink as well. And, I've been mentioning Chainlink to friends and family before I started this channel. We were buying it around $2-3, right? So patience is key in this market. I've been holding Chainlink for over a year. So, people that think, oh, this comes easy and so on and so forth, everything's going up in value. Yes, it is easy when you think about it from a long-term perspective. But if you have a short time frame or short mindset, then it is not really that easy, because these things are volatile and they will push you out of your positions if you are so focused on the day-to-day activities. So those are the 5 that I recommend everybody should have before going into any other cryptocurrencies. Okay. Now, another thing that I wanted to go into was Ethereum. Eventually, Ethereum back here, when we were talking about it, was one of the most crowded trades in crypto. And I believe with this consolidation period, now this could last for a couple of weeks, maybe till the end of February. But I believe once we break out of this next consolidation area here, that Ethereum is going to surprise a lot of people. I think a lot of people got bored with the Ethereum trade and they've been leaving Ethereum. I don't think smart money is leaving Ethereum, but I think retail money is leaving Ethereum for the new shiny objects that are going up 30, 40, 50% in value, right? So how do we protect ourselves from this? Well, this is why we have diversified portfolios. And I'll go into my speculative coins in just a moment. But this is why we always hold Bitcoin and Ethereum if you're investing in the crypto space. These are not, the large amount of my Ethereum is not for trading. I have allocated a small amount of my Ethereum to invest into other coins. But when I take profits, I re-inject it into Bitcoin or Ethereum, so I'm not left with an altcoin that drops 20-30% in value. So I will go over that in just a moment. But as of what I'm looking at right now, Ethereum is in a bullish consolidation zone, a reaccumulation area. And, I am expecting this to move higher, especially as people start taking profits from some of the other altcoins. And that could go on for weeks, maybe even a month, 2 months. I mean, in the last summer, we saw an altcoin season for roughly the entire summer. It kind of started in March and ended around August. So yeah, that's what you can expect from there. Polkadot continues to be one of the best performing assets in our long-term holding accounts. It just, the gift that keeps giving. Cardano also gone up pretty quick here. I'm expecting some consolidation. Could be wrong, could just keep mooning, but I would expect some area of accumulation here, redistribution, profit taking. So we could see some sideways action, maybe a little bit of downside here, and possibly a continuation up if the Bitcoin dominance continues to go down and the altcoin season continues, and I'll keep you guys up to date with that. Link, beautiful, just keeps retesting this parabolic short-term uptrend that we have, and as you can see, no daily candles have closed below. So again, I'm expecting this to just continue slowly upwards and onwards. Galaxy, going into some of our stock plays, it just keeps going up. I told you guys that as long as Bitcoin and Ethereum keep going up, Galaxy will be in a bull market. It will continue to be in a bull market. So what we can expect from Galaxy is a macro reversal when crypto is ready to call it a day, and we're going to see a macro top be put in, but I do not see that as of yet and at all in the foreseeable future. And again, I'll let you guys know and keep you guys up to date, especially in the group, as I see things like this coming around. Another thing is I wanted to go into Twitter and why I think everybody that's investing crypto should have a Twitter account. You should follow a lot of these lead people in the crypto world. It'll give you an advantage before you start hearing things on videos and YouTube and all this other stuff. So what I like to do is, you guys know that I've been talking about Polkastarter for a while now, and I am very bullish on Polkastarter. And before everybody started talking about it, and I'm going to give you guys a little secret here, a little tidbit. You find a coin that you like or you think that has intrinsic value or will be useful, and what you can do is you can come down here and you can see who is following this project, okay? And when I see people like other projects that I'm fairly bullish on, like Orion Protocol, Elio Trades, he's known to find low cap gems, and he's following them. And then I have some of these other guys like Jacob Canfield, Credible Crypto, Mr. Anderson, which I'm all following. And the reason I'm following them is because they've been in the space a long time and they are very good at technical analysis. Same with Crypto Burr, the Martini guy. Alex Saunders, one of the best fundamental researchers I've seen in the space. And when you see people like this following a certain project, especially before it starts getting announced, this can give you a perceived edge to get into the market or get into a particular coin or project before it gets vocalized over the mainstream social platforms. So that's just a little tidbit for you guys. And if you need some people that you want to follow, go ahead, ask in the Telegram group. It'll be linked down below if you want to join. If you're just watching this video, feel free to join our community. We've been growing pretty quickly. I mean, I started with 2 people in there. It's still in the process. I mean, I got almost coming up 40 people, I believe, now that have joined the group in the recent last couple of weeks here. So, and I wanted to end on my speculative account. So as you can see, my Ethereum that I allocated towards trading, I'm still holding a vast majority. I believe this is about 40%. I'm still holding in Ethereum. And the reason being is because when these projects go up exponentially in value, I start to redistribute my profits back into Ethereum. So this Ethereum, when I first distributed it, I probably only had about a 10% allocation into Ethereum when I first started redistributing into altcoins. and now we've gotten up to 40% again. And that doesn't mean that I'm getting bearish on the altcoins or whatever. No, it's because some of these have gone up 100%, 200%, and I do like to take just, a little bit of risk off of the table. And I believe you should do that, especially with more speculative altcoins. And this, again, is my speculative account. This is after I've accumulated the 5 coins, which I told you guys that are my main long-term holds that I believe that will do very well and are here for the foreseeable future. These ones, we don't know. Are they going to be here for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years? We don't know, right? They could be here for one market cycle and disappear. So remember that when you're holding these speculative altcoins. So yeah, that's what I have for today. I know there was a lot of questions about altcoins, so I just wanted to show you guys how I'm allocating my account and showing you how to mitigate your risk in these altcoin positions again, and how to take profits at reasonable profit taking levels when you make a certain amount off of an altcoin that you can't tell yourself definitively, hey, is this going to be here for the next 5 years? If you can't answer that question, you should take profits into something that you do believe is going to be here for the next 5-10 years, which is, in my opinion, as of right now, Ethereum and Bitcoin. I do not see them going anywhere. So thanks a lot, guys. Really appreciate the support. Continue to subscribe, like the content. I have links below for the Telegram group, Market Cipher if you're interested. And yeah, have a great day, and I will chat with you guys in the Telegram group. Cheers. Bye.